Introducing our steamed pomfret with pickled plum. The ingredients are 1 pomfret, 600 grams, 2 tablespoons sliced leaf lard, 1/4 cup dried Chinese mushroom, 1/4 cup green onion cut into 2.5 cm long pieces, 1/4 cup celery cut into 2.5 cm long pieces, 1 pickled plum, 2 tablespoons red goat chili vertically cut, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh ginger, half a knob old ginger, crushed, 4 teaspoons pickled plum sauce, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon Chinese rice wine, half teaspoon ground pepper, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Soak the dried mushroom in hot water until they turn soft and cut them vertically. Clean, gut, and rinse the fish thoroughly and drain. Stuff the fish with old ginger and lay it on the service plate and sprinkle with leaf lard, Chinese mushroom, green onions, celery, fresh ginger, red goat chili, pickled plum, ground pepper. To mix the sauce, combine the ingredients of plum sauce, sugar, soy sauce, Chinese rice wine, ground pepper, and sesame oil. Pour the sauce onto the fish and close the lid or cover the plate with food wrap. Place the plate in and press microwave 600 watt and key in 8 to 10 minutes to start cooking.